how to explore ArenaX platform. This video walks you through the main features of the ArenaX platform and how to get around it. We are going to explore the ArenaX platform in just 4 steps. So, to do this, let's start with the first step, which is accessing the ArenaX homepage. To get started with ArenaX, head over to your browser's address bar and type in arenax.io, then hit enter. You'll see a quick loading screen pop up as the platform boots up. Once the homepage loads, scroll down to get a feel for what's on offer. You'll notice sections showcasing supported games, upcoming tournaments where you can compete, and any live streams currently running on the platform. Scroll back up to the top so we can start exploring the main navigation. The ArenaX homepage is now loaded and ready to explore. Let's move on to browsing games and building a library where you can discover titles and add your favorites for a personalized experience. To start building your game library, head over to the Games tab in the top navigation menu. This opens up the All Games page where you can scroll through the entire catalog of titles supported on the platform, from tactical shooters to battle royales. When you spot a game you play, simply hit the Add to Library button next to it to add it to your personal collection. You'll see a quick confirmation pop up, letting you know the game has been added successfully to your library. Our game library is all set up. Let's go to the next step, which is exploring tournaments in the arena, where you can browse competitions and register your squad to compete. To explore live competitions, head over to the Arena tab in the top navigation. This is your hub for esports action, showing upcoming events with prize pools, entry fees, and status filters. Scroll down to browse through the full list of tournaments across different games. Let's dive into one of these events by selecting the Valorant Challengers South Asia Tournament card. Here you'll see the full breakdown, including prize pool, region, format, and schedule. Once you're done reviewing the details, head back using the Back to Tournaments link. We've finished browsing the tournament details in the arena. Let's go to the next step, which is managing teams in Team OP Arena, where you can build your own squad, review applicants, and chat with teammates privately. To manage your squads, head over to the Team UP Arena tab in the navigation menu. This is where you can build your dream squad. Scroll down a bit to see your existing teams along with any open recruitment listings from the community. If you want to see who's trying to join a team, hit the roster button on any recruitment listing. This opens up an applicants window showing everyone on the roster. Once you're done reviewing, just close it out. To communicate with your teammates, click the chat button next to your team. A private team chat panel slides in from the right, letting you coordinate with your squad. Close it when you're ready to move on. That completes our look at managing teams in Team UP Arena. Let's move on to checking spectate and live streams, where we can watch ongoing matches and follow live gameplay from other players. To check out live matches and streams, head over to the Spectate tab in the navigation menu. Once the page loads, you'll see any ongoing streams here. Right now, it's quiet with no live streams, but this is where you tune in to watch other players in action. The live stream section is now covered. Let's go to the next step, which is navigating the Nexus communities, where you can connect with other players, share tips, and join discussions around your favorite games. To navigate the community hub, click on the Nexus tab in the top menu. This is your between matches tavern for strategy, clips, and banter. By default, you'll land on the Valorant community, so scroll down to check out the posts from fellow players. To switch things up, hit the Battlegrounds Mobile India icon from the Game Communities list. You can just as easily jump into another game's hub, like the Counter-Strike community, with a single click. You've now explored the community channels inside the Nexus. Let's move on to reviewing blog and FAQ resources where you can find helpful articles and answers to common questions about the platform. To review the platform's learning resources, head over to the blog tab in the navigation menu. Take a moment to scroll through the articles here, where you'll find helpful guides on tournaments, streaming setups, and finding teammates. Next, jump over to the FAQ tab to get quick answers to common questions. Scroll down through the frequently asked questions and expand any that catch your eye to reveal the detailed answers. We've now reviewed the blog and FAQ resources on the platform. The next step, which is viewing the About page to learn more about ArenaX's mission and the team behind it. To learn more about the platform itself, head over to the About tab in the top navigation. Scroll through the About page to get a feel for what ArenaX stands for. You'll find the platform's core values like competing fiercely, playing together, and fair play, followed by an introduction to the team behind it all. We've now explored the About page and learned more about the ArenaX team. Let's move on to accessing the player card, where you can view and manage your personal gaming profile. To access the player card, hover over your profile icon in the top right and select Player Card from the dropdown. We've successfully accessed the player card and can see the profile overview. Let's go to the next step, which is reviewing Arsenal game IDs and teams, where you can link your in-game usernames so teammates can find and add you after matchmaking. To review what's inside your player profile, head over to the Arsenal tab to see your loadout details. Next, jump into the Game IDs tab, where you can link all your gaming accounts like Steam, Riot, Epic, and more, so teammates can find you across platforms. Switch over to the Teams tab to see every squad you're currently a part of. To quickly connect with your squad, hit the chat button next to your team. The team chat panel slides in from the right, giving you instant access to your teammates. Close it once you're done catching up, and that wraps up the profile walkthrough. From here, you can always jump back to resources like the FAQ tab whenever you need a hand. And that wraps up the look at your Arsenal game IDs and teams. You've now got a solid feel for how to explore the ArenaX platform from top to bottom. Have fun out there and enjoy the games.